What's up everyone, Crypto Underground is back with a video about Prime XBT and why this is the best exchange to trade gold actually with your Bitcoin. Yes guys, with your Bitcoin you are able to trade commodities, forex, indices and also shares thanks to Prime XBT. And the best thing that you don't even need KYC to trade on this exchange, since this is not a fiat gateway. You need to have cryptos, you need to have Bitcoin in order to trade here gold and other commodities that you want, like silver, oil and so on. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, guys. Very easy and simple. That's why this video is also going to be very short. Important is that you are always subscribed on this channel, guys, because I update you every day whatever is going on here in the crypto space. And of course sometimes I do also such new tutorials, especially for beginners or for everyone that is new in the crypto space. And sometimes also maybe you don't know about different exchanges or crypto tools that you can use here in the crypto world in order to use also your Bitcoin to trade whatever you want. And PrimeXBT is also linked here in the video description. This is also one of the major exchanges that I'm using. So use my sign up link to get always the maximum deposit bonus possible on this exchange. Of course, I'm using different exchanges for different purposes, and PrimeXBT is definitely one that I'm using mostly to do copy trading because they have some of the best traders out there. Of course, you can also just trade crypto futures, so whatever crypto that you want, you can trade it with your Bitcoin with leverage. And of course, also when it comes to commodity tradings, that means if you want to trade gold and other forex and indices, you can do that everything here on PrimeXBT. So the link is here in the video description, guys. I'm going to put it also at the top, and of course here in the video description also you're going to find other useful trading tools that I'm using here in my daily crypto life. So be subscribed on this channel, guys. We also do with every 1,000 subscribers $100 giveaway, so make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Our community is getting bigger and bigger. And also here at the bottom you're going to find my X account over on Twitter, and of course also my new Rumble account, so make sure to be signing up there as well, and also follow me there as well. Of course it's enough if you sign up here to YouTube, but it just helps the channel also on other social media platforms if you just subscribe everywhere, guys. So thank you very much for your great support. Remember also that if you're trading here in the crypto space, there's always a lot of risk involved on most of those leverage trading platforms like PrimeXBT. You can also get liquidated, so you can lose also all your funds, all your money. Everything is possible here in the crypto space. It's very high risk. And also remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just showing you how you can do everything, how you can trade with your Bitcoin gold, for example. And I'm always sharing my own opinions and analysis, so always do your own research as well, guys. I'm just showing you how you can trade and use your Bitcoin on different exchanges. And here on PrimeXBT, this is one of the major exchanges where I'm trading gold, for example, or other commodities like silver, oil and so on. You can even trade orange juice, so very fun here, PrimeXBT, where you can really trade everything. And here, if, for example, if you sign up to PrimeXBT, you don't need a KYC, nothing. You just sign up, you register with an email, and then you're ready to go. You just have to go here to deposit and put here some crypto deposits like Bitcoin, for example, and then of course you can immediately start to trade, because as you can see here on the top, you can see your Bitcoin available balance, and then immediately you can just select here the commodity like gold, and then you see the chart. You can also of course do some TA on your trading view account if you believe that gold will go on and on here forever to the upside or will crash down. You can of course trade that even without the need of buying gold or having gold. You just go here, you click trade, and then you put here the amount in dollars that you would like to put in here, basically going long or short with gold, for example, and your Bitcoin will be then used here to go long or short. You can of course also put stop losses, take profits and so on even before entering the trade. You can do that. Then you click here send order, and then you're going to see here your positions and your orders on the dashboard. Very easy and simple, guys. And whenever you want to close it, then of course you just close the trade, and then you have all your profits realized basically in Bitcoin. And this is the magic, guys, because if you are so bullish for gold, if you believe that gold will go to $10,000, for example, of course no financial advice, but let's assume that it will 3x from here, and you go long here with Bitcoin, then of course also your Bitcoin position will 3x from that, or even higher if you go with leverage. And that's why of course, you can multiply your Bitcoin like that if the trade goes into the right direction. And this is how you can take advantage, of course, with all those volatile moves that we see also in the commodities like oil, gold, and so on. And you can, of course, also like that use your Bitcoin and trade like that. So very easy and simple here if you just want a simple exchange where you can trade all the commodities you want with your Bitcoin. If you are new in the crypto space, you can even try out with a demo account here. So even without using your own money, you can click here demo and just start to do some demo trades here as well without risking your money. Of course, you can also do that. The same is also with crypto futures, because also here you can trade all the cryptos that you want. Here almost every pair is accepted here. You can trade with USDT, you can trade also with Bitcoin here, whatever crypto that is supported here, you can use it here, of course, as well to go long and short like in every other exchange. Very easy and simple, as you can see. You just select here the leverage, the amount, the limit orders, and go long or short if you believe the price will go up or down here. And then, of course, they have also this very, very famous copy trade feature here on Prime XBT as well, because as you can see, there are many popular traders out there with big gains that they're doing. And of course, you can with one click just copy trade one of your most favorite copy trader, basically, especially when you see how many days that they are active and how profitable they are. Then, of course, it's very attractive, of course, to just copy trade them, because you then just put the amount of Bitcoin or USDT that you want like to follow him, and then with one click you can basically copy trade immediately. Also here with USDT you can immediately start to copy trade that guy, and then of course you can also get a piece of the pie if he's a successful trader. Just here, if you're copy trading, guys, of course also high risk involved, but here I would first of all select the ones that are actively trading since a long time, and then also if they are profitable or not. Sometimes you can even see what kind of trades that they are actually doing by simply observing the markets. If the market is going higher, and you can see that those guys are doing more and more profits, that means that they are long, and vice versa. If the markets are going down and they are in a loss, then that means that they are longing the price and the markets are coming down. So you can basically see in what kind of trades that they are sitting based on their total profits, and of course also how the market currently is doing. But in general, I'm using Prime XBT mainly for copy trading, do also some crypto futures trading as well here a little bit, but mostly here it is for commodity trading like gold, oil, and so on. So if you want to get on board, guys, Prime XBT, the link is in the video description. Like that, of course, you can trade whatever you want here, orange juice, gold, silver, directly here on Prime XBT with your Bitcoin or USDT, of course. So sign up to Prime XBT, guys. That's also one of the major exchanges that I'm using next to the others: Binance, Bybit, Phemex, Weeks, BitFi, BitUnix, KC Exchange. Here also no KYC needed, and so on. But Prime XBT is one of the best when it comes to commodity trading, especially gold, oil, etc. And it's also very easy and simple made. So I hope that also for beginners, that's a good exchange where to start with if you're trading with gold, for example, with Bitcoin, for example, gold and other commodities. So take advantage of Prime XBT, guys. That's it for now. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section, or just in the future we're gonna have most likely also a Telegram account where we can, of course, chat together. But until then, of course, join my X account and here YouTube, because you can also, of course, just comment everything you want in the comment section. All right, guys, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. Crypto Underground over for now.